We've publicly announced that we want to get to 6,000 Bitcoin in the next several years, which would make us one of the top 10 or 20 treasury companies globally.
Matador Technologies has evolved into a hybrid technology investment issuer as part of a mid-2025 rebrand. Through its public shares, the company provides investors with exposure to Bitcoin and the broader Bitcoin ecosystem. Management hopes that investors benefit from an increasing amount of Bitcoin per share, yield generated on held Bitcoin, and returns from profitable ecosystem investments.
I think what the investment issuer kind of change of business allows us to do is really double down on what we think is kind of the most important we think we can do for our shareholders, which is acquiring more Bitcoin effectively, partnering with companies that are building in the Bitcoin ecosystem, and really kind of build our team and our kind of base around the growth of Bitcoin over the next several years.
Within weeks of Matador Technologies' rebrand, the company secured a US $100 million capital raise from ATW Partners to support its goal of acquiring thousands of Bitcoin tokens over the coming years.
What we wanted to do, even in these early, first few months of being public, was align ourselves with a partner who could scale with us as we scale our strategy. So what we have now is our path to get to, over 1,000 Bitcoin. We've publicly announced that we want to get to 6,000 Bitcoin in the next several years.
Matador's business strategy also includes strategic investments in global firms that can help it generate additional shareholder value in the Bitcoin ecosystem.
The company plans to acquire a 24% stake in India-based HODL Systems, a publicly traded digital asset treasury company. As part of the deal, HODL would license and distribute Matador's products in the country.
Indians have been buying gold for centuries as a store of value. We think Bitcoin is that new store of value. So exposing that to the citizens and the population there in a manner they're really comfortable with already, it just feels like a really, really good way to scale our core business.
Over the past 5 years, Bitcoin has returned approximately 900%, far outpacing traditional benchmarks. While not immune to periods of short-term volatility, Bitcoin's current market cap of roughly $2.3 trillion reflects its global recognition and adoption.
We always see ourselves as buying Bitcoin, whether the price is up or down, but at the same time, we always want to maintain multiple years of cash flow on the balance sheet, which allows us to really weather any storms.